Kasi ang hindi mag-follow, ang hindi mag-like, ang hindi mag-share ay hindi cute. Another day, another busugs edition na naman ng kainan ang ating gagawin para sa ating breakfast serye. So welcome guys, this is our third day of our breakfast serye guys. Nagsimula tayo nung Monday and kahapon and now consecutive na. And for today's meal, I'm gonna show you first kung ano ba yung breakfast menu namin ngayong araw na ito. So for today's breakfast menu ni Tita Jean, we have here sunny side up, hot dogs, ham roll, boiled eggs, pansit bihon, and sinangag. So there you have it guys, nakita nyo na anong breakfast menu ang naluto ngayong Wednesday morning guys. Hulaan nyo nga kung ano ang ating bida para sa ating breakfast serye ngayong Wednesday morning. Ang ating kakainin sa umagahan ay so ayun nga guys, we have here hot dog and ham roll dahil sabi ni mama, ham roll. Look at this. Ham roll daw to sabi ni mama. And sinangag. And also we have here coffee. Look at this face. It's mama's kapihan. So tara, let's get started. Let's get chibuga na. Siyempre paper na tayo guys. Hot dogs, ham roll, and sinangag. Anyways guys, it's already 8:30 guys, so I was not able to actually shoot early morning guys because syempre maraming bumibili ng agahan and meron na rin mga kumakain dito, so I had to focus on them first. Pero hindi pwedeng hindi tayo magtira ng ating kakainin para sa breakfast area. So we have here for today is hot dog, hot ham gang. Hot ham gang. Medyo sa Bicol mamara ang satuyang breakfast for today. So we have here our coffee. May gusto kayo na subukan kong breakfast meal, you better comment it down in the comment section guys. Yung kay kasi yung kay PJ, ay gusto lahat nilagay dun sa comment section. Lahat ng menu. Fried rice, fried egg, boiled egg, hot dog. Walang benta niyan si Mama Te. Dapat calculated pa rin ang ating kinakain. Pero busog pa rin kahit calculated guys. Gets? Gets. Anyways guys, I want to give a big shout out to Kif Basalyote ba yan? Kif, KP, and kay Ajang. Hi Ajang, ay PJ. So na araw-araw ganito makikita nyo guys sa akin. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. I have no content na naisip. Ito lang. Not unless I'm going somewhere and I'm going to vlog it. Check the label, mommy. So mga ganitong oras, mga 8:30 to 9, yan yung time na onti na lang yung customer. During that time, offer ko na yun to shoot. That's how it goes guys. Kasi ang peak time na naman namin is 10 AM or 11 AM onwards na yan up until lunch. Meron kami ditong ulam, so you may visit us to buy kung malapit lang kayo dito. Last bite tayo guys. Isang busog-lusog na serye na naman ang ating natapos para sa edisyon na ito. So all you have to do is to comment your suggestions kung ano gusto nyong itry kong combo meals pag breakfast. Kung nakaabot ka pa dito, mismong oras na to na comment kung taga saan kayo, saan nakaabot itong video na ito guys. So thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Oh, kasi ang hindi mag-follow, ang hindi mag-like, ang hindi mag-share ay hindi cute. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow for another breakfast serie edition. Bye bye.